Hi guys, welcome back to this video series. So let's directly head on to the first question. So it is on the page number 19. Let's zoom this a little bit and you can see the problem statements. So we have to write a program in Python using function classes files as applicable. So as in need we can use any of these things. So let's head on to first question. So it basically says to calculate salary of an employee given his basic pay, take as an input from the user. Calculate gross salary of an employee. Let HRA be 10% of basic pay and TA be 5% of basic pay. Let employee pay professional tax of 2% of the total salary. Calculate net salary payable after deduction. So basically we have to take an input of basic pay from the user and then calculate the gross salary. So gross salary would be the basic pay plus HRA, which is the home rent allowance, and then plus traveling allowance TA. So gross salary would be basic pay plus 10% of basic pay plus 5% of basic pay, and then we have to calculate the net salary payable after deduction. So this professional tax would be deducted from the total salary or the gross salary. So the net salary would be gross salary minus 2% of gross salary. So we have to create a program for this same. So I will be using a Sublime text editor to code for this question. So I have done some setup of main file here, input.txt input file and output.txt output file. So this setup you can also create on your local machine too. I have an tutorial how to do this. Links will be provided in the description. So we would need some starter code. So this is the starter code for connecting this input and output files. So let's directly jump on to the solution. So first of all we have to take the basic pay from the user. So let's take it as 10,000 and let's take basic pay equal to input, and this input would be, so we will get input as a string, but to convert it into integer we can use an inbuilt integer function, as we would need to do some calculations on this number and string can't do any mathematical operations. So after we get this basic pay, let's print it out and see whether our input output is working fine or not. So you can see 10,000 got printed, means we successfully took the input from the file and then printed the value to this output file. So after the basic pay we have to then calculate gross salary. So it would be basically basic pay plus HRA plus TA. So let's first calculate the HRA and TA. So HRA equal to, it is the 10%, so 10 by 100 into the basic pay, and similarly TA equal to 5% of the basic pay. So here we got, as we are doing the division operation, it will return it as a float. Let's see by printing the gross salary and then do the changes. So as you can see we got it in a float. So to convert it again into int, we can directly convert this value into integer, and let's run this. So you can see now it became an whole integer. After printing the gross salary, now we have to calculate the net salary. Net salary equal to gross salary minus the professional tax PT. So let's create a variable PT which would store 2% of this gross salary. So 2 by 100 into basic pay, sorry, not the basic pay, the total gross salary, gross or the total salary. So professional tax would be 2% of the gross salary, and then net salary would be gross salary minus professional tax. This would also return value in float, so to convert it back into integer. So now let's print the net salary. So you can see this would be the net salary of an employee who is getting basic pay of 10,000. So we can also change this value to 2000 or 20,000. Let's run this again. So you can see employee getting basic pay 20,000 would get net salary of 22,540. So let's take some odd numbers, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's run this. So you would get 13,913. Similarly, you can perform any number of, you can give any number of input and print out the net salary. So this was the first question in this series to calculate the salary of an employee. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in our next video.